Working with user stories, story points and tasks in MS Project Agile. Many people think MS Project Agile cannot be used to write in user story format or estimate in story points. Nothing is further from the truth. You can write in user stories, you can estimate in story points, and in fact you can do breakdown of the stories into tasks. In this video I will have a quick demonstration for this. A detailed article has been written for this purpose. I am going to share the link for that article towards the end of this video. So as you can see, we have this product backlog. The top level items are fine grained and written in user stories. The low level items, or the items toward the lower end of the backlog, are not properly estimated because those are big items. So as you can see, the first item is written in user story format. As a user, I can log into the online trading system so that I can access. As a user, I can create a new user profile so that I have the basic details. As a user, I can buy a stock so that my portfolio has the latest valued stock. It is a text area. You can write in user story format without any issues at all. Every story has been estimated in story points. For example, this story 5 story points, this one 8 story points, this one 3 story points, and so on. How about story points? This is a custom field. So I'll select this column story points, right click and choose custom fields. Here as you can see, this is story points and it is a number custom field. As simple as that. So simply create a number custom field, and as you estimate, you put down the story point value for that particular story. This you can do in the Gantt chart view or the sprint planning sheet view or sprint planning current sprint sheet view. So let us see that. I'll go to sprint tools planning and I'll go to sprint planning sheet view. Here also, as you can see, these are estimated in story points, individual stories. Next, you can take the story and break them down into individual tasks. So again, I'll go back to the Gantt chart view. This story has been broken down into individual tasks. While stories are estimated in story points, the tasks are estimated in hours. And for every task also you have the resources. Not only that, you can associate with sprints as well as start and finish dates for the individual tasks. These are quickly done. Next, you can see this in Gantt chart view, or you can see them in the current sprint board view or in the current sprint sheet view, because that will be your backlog plan for the upcoming sprint. That is the sprint backlog. So I'll go to the sprints tool, sprints command here, and I'll choose current sprint sheet view. As you can see, these are the items we have to do, and this story has been broken down into individual tasks. The tasks are estimated in hours. These are in story points. So here itself I can add a new column and say story points, and these are only estimated in story points, whereas the tasks are estimated in hours. Next, once you have done this, that is, you have prepared your sprint plan including the sprint backlog, you have to track it. So for tracking, you have to go to the current sprint board view for the upcoming sprint. So I'll go to the current sprint board view and you have these work items. Simply drag and drop across the workflow states. As you move, the percentage complete also getting auto populated for you. This again can be seen here by customizing the cards, or I can go to the current sprint sheet view. There I can add a percentage column. So I'll choose sprint column, right click, insert column, and say percent complete. So here as you can see, this is 100% complete, this is 50% complete, and this is 10. Next one is 10% complete. And the board status is also reflected. So this is very possible in MS Project Agile. Write in stories, estimate in story point, take the stories, break down them into tasks, and track the sprint. Not only that, you also can create the burn down charts, the burn up chart, and a large number of reports using MS Project Agile software. Now, I have already told in the beginning that I have written an article for it, because many people don't know. So the article is here. This is the main article that is published in my website managementyogi.com. You can see how to write with user stories, story points, and the tasks. Step-by-step instructions have been given to you. This article has referred this master course of Mastering MS Project Agile, where you learn how to use Scrum management, Kanban management, and Scrumban management. This is the link for that master course. These links also are going to be available in the video notes. Next one is the certification course, a related note, that is the CHAMP certification, which stands for Certified Hybrid Agile Master Professional course. This is a very unique certification course which combines waterfall with Scrum, waterfall with Kanban, and waterfall with Scrumban. Everything is possible with this software tool. Here in Charm certification course also you will understand the theoretical aspect of hybrid agile management. Thank you for watching. Inform others about these courses and the certification course. Subscribe to this channel and grow in your career.